be as creative as you possibly can, because as a student you have the luxury of complete creative freedom, which you will never experience to that level in a professional employment. And I think you should really make the most of it. And I don't think as a student you have any excuse not to push things forward. I think you should be focused on trying to really think advanced, design advanced, and push things forward, because as an employed designer, you will always have to toe the corporate line to a large degree. And there's so many outside influences on you, on your creativity and what you're working on, that you will always work in a much more limited, creatively limited space. But it's your job. You are paid to aid the company achieving its objectives. That's your primarily your target as a designer for a company or corporation, a car manufacturer. But as a student, I don't think you have any excuse not to push things as far as you possibly can. And I think just let your imagination, your creativity run wild as long as you can. Yeah, just focus on your vision and keep pushing. I think that's probably the most important advice I can give. I think later, just listen to people. I think especially colleagues and clay modelers, alias modelers, they have such vast experience and long experience. And I would just listen as much as you can and absorb as much as you can, and make these people an ally in your project, right? You're trying to achieve something. You're trying to realize your vision, your idea of a certain product, car, whatever it might be. And these people, they are there to help you in achieving that. And they're working for you. They're trying their best for you. So I think you need to try and make all of these people your allies. They're invaluable assets on the journey that you're going. I think that's what I would give as advice. Yeah.